Hey, so if you're a freelancer and want to use HubSpot CRM in 2026 to manage clients, deals, and tasks efficiently, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once inside the dashboard, make sure your account has CRM access so you can manage contacts, deals, and tasks. Start by adding your clients as contacts. Click the Contacts tab, then Create Contact. Fill in details like name, email, phone number, and company. This creates a centralized place for all client information. Next, track deals by going to the Deals tab. Click Create Deal, assign it to a client, set the deal stage, expected close date, and deal value. This helps you see your revenue pipeline at a glance. Use tasks to stay organized. Click Tasks, create follow-ups, assign reminders, and mark completed tasks. This ensures you never miss deadlines or client updates. Yeah, this part really keeps your workflow smooth. You can also log emails, calls, and notes directly in HubSpot. This keeps all client communication in one place, so you don't have to search through inboxes or messages. For freelancers managing multiple projects, use pipelines to separate different services or client types. Customize stages to match your workflow, like proposal sent, project in progress, or completed. HubSpot mobile app is also useful. Manage contacts, deals, and tasks on the go, which is perfect for freelancers working remotely or meeting clients. Finally, review your dashboards regularly. Check deals, task completion, and client activity to make sure nothing falls through the cracks, and that's it. By organizing contacts, tracking deals, managing tasks, and logging communication, freelancers can use HubSpot CRM to stay productive and professional. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with other freelancers, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.